Good morning, sociology students. Happy Tuesday. Hope you had a nice weekend. As you can see on my shirt, got a golf club on here. I'm at golf today, so not ditching you. Just happened to have a match today. You are going to move on with culture, society, all that good stuff. You're going to do this page of your notes. You're going to have to go ahead a little bit to like page 5 because we're going to skip a few pages. This is easier stuff for me to do with you when I'm not here. Very short notes. Miss Alvarez is going to walk you through 3 slides talking about cultural universals and cultural particulars. So in other words, everyone in the world does some stuff. Universally speaking, we all eat. Children are born throughout the world. What we eat, how we raise children is what's different. There are particular reasons why, given the climate, given the agriculture nearby, given the population density, why different practices exist in different parts of the world. And then what I'm going to have you do is read a case study about 2 tribes in New Guinea. This was studied back in the early 1900s, and how they have different ways about going about their universal cultural elements. So again, what you're going to do is read about the 2 groups, and then we've got this chart right here. In the middle, you're going to tell me what universals exist in the tribes according to the case study. So for example, both tribes have children. In the right and left boxes, you have to tell me how they raise their children differently. So what you might do here is put a 1, child rearing practices, and then here a 1, here a 1, and then say, this is how the Arapesh raise them. This is how the Mundagamor raise their children. And you have to distinguish between their child rearing practices. Then on the back, it's going to ask you a few questions about why did the different tribes develop this way? Which tribe would you want to be a part of if you were a member of this society? And then which tribe is more like the United States in your opinion? Usually this takes about half an hour or so. It's not like a super in-depth case study. Everything you need is right in here. And then one more thing about the notes, really quick. I cut out this part. So where it says cultural particulars, I'm going to give you some examples. It says they exist because, you can cross that out. I took that out of the notes. It's essentially the same exact thing as why cultural universals exist. It has to do with the biology of the people, the landscape, the geography, all that good stuff. So you're taking some notes, you're doing the case study. When you're done with the case study, you can just tear out the answer sheet. I don't need the reading. You might want to hold on to that for the unit test. I know we just took a test, but you might want to start holding on to some stuff for the unit 2 test. Only turn in the answer sheet with your name on it, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a great day.